Alright guys, just want to give you a quick update on Rolls Royce. Some people ask me, Jimmy, why Rolls Royce is on a steady rise. So today I'm answering this question for you. When I invest into a stock, normally sometimes I pay attention to the news, but a lot of time I look at the economy as a whole, right? So let's talk about Rolls Royce for a minute. Like, how do I look at the economy as a whole? Rolls Royce right now, they don't have any amazing news that is coming out for Rolls Royce. Nothing really major update on Rolls Royce right now on a news. But here's the thing why you see Rolls Royce stock going up. Number one is when a stock it hit a rock bottom. If you look at Rolls Royce, right, for the last like almost 100 years, Rolls Royce actually hit down to $1.32, $1.34. That was so low. And I created so many videos and I mentioned, like, you know, this is the great time I buy into Rolls Royce, and you guys may consider to buy into Rolls Royce, and the decision is yours. And when a stock hits so low, guys, the only way they can do is up. I'm telling you, that's just how it is. When it hits so low, and if the company is strong, the backbone structure is strong, and there's no fundamental change in the business, and it's just impacted by the COVID-19, eventually when the economy pick back up, it's gonna rise again. And this is what happened. If you look at Rolls Royce, when most of the market company stock, they pull back, right, recently, all you guys could say is a crash. I don't really think it's a crash yet because the market is still gonna recover very soon. This is not an actual crash yet. But when the markets pull back so much, Rolls Royce, they hit so low, and eventually they're gonna go back up. And on top of that, if you look at the Pfizer right now, they ship out a lot of vaccine, like million of vaccine all around the world, and they ship it to UK as well. And right now, Pfizer, I think they're on a third stage, so they allow a lot of citizen people just like you and me to take the vaccine. What that really means is eventually we're gonna feel more confident, and when we feel more confident, and the state they're gonna feel more confident, the government gonna feel more confident, and they're gonna open it back domestic and international flight. And you can see right now, slowly they're able to open back. Like, I could even register for my trip, you know, to international, right? And I can purchase that online for the next, like, let's say 6 months to a year from now. And if you look at right now, like Carnival start to recover, you look at the airline industry, they start to recover. So that is some of the reason you see like a lot of tech company like EV, they're going down, but like the airline industry, the cruise line industry, they start to recover, and that's definitely meaningful for Rolls Royce. The next thing I want to mention to you is this. As you can see the recover from Rolls Royce, here's another good news. If you look on the media, NetJet, right? A company is called Arion. You can see the name Arion. Arion is basically a startup. They created supersonic flight. What is supersonic flight? It's like a flight that fly really fast. Like normally a flight, they fly like 24 hours. Let's say from here to international to China, but now it's only take a few hours, like 5 to 6 hours. Cut the time into 50 to 70% faster to fly there. So there's a company, a startup, it's called Arion, and Arion is backed by Boeing. It's a great company for airlines. So most of the airplane that you fly is either through Boeing or Airbus, right? So Boeing backed Arion up, and Arion is a startup for supersonic flight. Oh wow, what is a supersonic flight? Why Boeing backed them up? Because they know the future is supersonic. This future is going to be faster airplane. And recently, there's a company, it's called NetJet. It's a private jet company. I'm telling you, it's a long story short. It's basically this company is a private jet company. They purchased 20 supersonic flight, okay, back order to Arion, and Arion backed by Boeing. So why do I share with you all this thing right here? I want to let you guys know when I invest into stock, I look for the future. So basically, all these big companies like Boeing, they back this startup right here called Arion. And Arion is a startup, it's purchased by this company, it's called NetJet. And NetJet is basically a private airline created by Goldman Sachs, okay? So all this company right now, they know where the future is really heading. And if you look at Rolls Royce, right? I've been telling you guys the whole time, Rolls Royce, they partner with Virgin Galactic, and Virgin Galactic position themselves for the future of space travel. And that's what Rolls Royce, they create the engine for the space travel. And on top of that, Virgin Galactic, they created the airplane supersonic to fly really, really fast, right? So Rolls Royce is the guy that created the engine for that. And they already positioned themselves doing that already. So I could imagine down the road, like in the next few more years, Rolls Royce probably going to receive a lot of orders from different companies like Boeing. They receive a company from Airbus and a lot of different kind of startup. Who knows? But Rolls Royce is the engine for those companies. So I could see a lot of future for Rolls Royce. They position themselves for the future. So this is the update, guy. I still feel very positive with Rolls Royce, and I strongly believe that Rolls Royce is a good company to invest for the future, because they are not some dinosaur company that they don't position for the future. All right, guys, hopefully this video is helpful. Give you guys some faith and invest like a genius.